How to create an account on Grab application. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Grab application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grab application on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Grab application on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you open up the app, now tap on the New to Grab Sign Up option. Write down your phone number. After you write down your phone number, now tap on Next. As soon as you click on Next, Grab application will send you a verification code on your WhatsApp application. Just go over there and write down your code. Now write down your name and click on Next. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to create an account on Grab application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Grab application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out.